Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the notifications in the Lime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the top of the page on the left. Then click on the settings button. And here you can see the discounts and news button. So if you want to receive email concerning the two options, then just click on the white circle, and once it turned green, your notifications are enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.